How to earn $200 a day taking online surveys. Make money from home. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a popular money-making method that you can do right from the comfort of your own home, taking online surveys. Did you know that you can earn a significant income by simply sharing your opinions? In this tutorial, we'll show you step-by-step how you can make $200 a day by taking online surveys. Let's get started. Step 1. Finding legitimate survey sites. The first thing you need to do is find legitimate survey sites that offer reliable opportunities to earn money. Here are the top online survey platforms known for their high-paying surveys. Survey Junkie. This platform has a wide range of survey options and offers a user-friendly interface. Swagbucks. Not only does Swagbucks offer surveys, but you can also earn by watching videos, playing games, and more. Inbox Dollars is a similar site to Swagbucks. They offer a variety of ways to earn money, including taking surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. Make sure to sign up for multiple platforms to increase your earning potential. Opinion Outpost is a good option for those who want to take surveys on a variety of topics. They offer surveys that pay between 50 cents and $3. Step 2. Optimizing your survey taking efficiency. To make $200 a day, it's essential to optimize your survey taking efficiency. Here are a few tips to help you maximize your earnings. Create a dedicated email address. Use a separate email address for surveys to keep your inbox organized. Set a schedule. Plan dedicated time for taking surveys each day to ensure consistency. Complete profile surveys. Fill out your profile completely to qualify for more targeted surveys. Use autofill tools. Use browser extensions or autofill features to save time on form filling. Join multiple survey sites. Sign up for several platforms to have a steady flow of survey opportunities. Take advantage of referral programs. Refer friends and family to earn additional rewards or bonuses. By implementing these strategies, you can efficiently manage your time and increase your earning potential. Step 3. Maximizing your survey earnings. Now, let's focus on maximizing your survey earnings. Here's how you can make the most out of each survey opportunity. Be honest and provide thoughtful responses. Survey platforms value genuine feedback, so be thorough in your responses. Complete surveys promptly. Some surveys have limited availability, so be proactive in completing them. Participate in high-paying surveys. Keep an eye out for surveys that offer higher compensation and prioritize those. Explore additional reward options. Some survey sites offer gift cards, PayPal payments, or other redeemable rewards. Take advantage of bonus opportunities. Some platforms offer bonuses for completing a certain number of surveys or reaching milestones. By following these tips, you can increase your survey earnings and reach your $200 daily goal. Step 4. Staying motivated and consistent. Lastly, staying motivated and consistent is key to achieving your $200 daily goal. Here are some tips to help you stay on track. Set daily targets. Challenge yourself to complete a certain number of surveys each day. Track your progress. Keep a record of your earnings and track your improvement over time. Join online communities. Connect with fellow survey takers for support, tips, and motivation. Take breaks when needed. It's important to take breaks and avoid burnout to maintain productivity. Celebrate milestones. Reward yourself for reaching milestones or achieving your daily target. Remember, earning $200 a day with online surveys is achievable, but it requires dedication and persistence. Stay focused, keep a positive mindset, and watch your earnings grow. That wraps up our tutorial on how to earn $200 a day taking online surveys. We hope you found these steps helpful and feel inspired to start making money from the comfort of your own home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more money-making tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.